Want to let your TikTok followers know you're planning to go live at a certain time? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to schedule a TikTok live stream. Now let's get started. Note you must have over 1,000 followers and be over 16 years old to have the option to go live on TikTok. To begin, open TikTok and go to your profile page. Then tap the calendar icon in the top right corner. At the bottom, tap Create an Event. Enter a name for your event. This is the title that will appear on your live stream. Then select a date and time for your live to start. Tap Next. Choose a duration for your stream. This is how long your live stream will last. Then tap Save. Finally, type in a description for your event. This is a good place to mention what you'll be doing during your stream or what you plan to talk about. When you're done, tap Create at the bottom. You can add the event to your device's calendar if you like. TikTok will review your scheduled event once you've created it. Once your event has been reviewed and approved, you can post a video promoting the event and send invites to your friends. Once approved, you can still make changes to your event's description, but the time and name cannot be changed. If needed, you can delete scheduled events as well. When it's getting close to the time for your live event to begin, tap the Live Event button on your profile page. At the bottom, tap Go Live to begin streaming. That's all it takes to schedule a live stream on TikTok. Check out our tutorial on how to go live on TikTok to learn about filters, effects, moderators, and more. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.